Hey, what's going on everyone? This is PixTones back with another video of preset tutorial. This time I will show you how to get elegant orange looking mood into your photos. So I will use for that in Lightroom mobile with iPad, and without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with light option. Then first reduce exposure to -0.3 and then increase contrast into +70 points. Then decrease highlights by -40 points. Increase shadows by 25 points and reduce whites by 70 points, and finally increase blacks by 20 points. Let's move to curve mode. Then adjust the curve according to this way. It is free tool so that you can use however you like it. So I use like this way. Actually it depends on the image, so you can play with it to get the best possible outcome. Then go to color options. First increase vibrance by 30 points. Also increase saturation by around 20 points. Then go to color grading option. First select highlight parts, highlight color wheel, adjust hue into 220, also saturation up to 10 points. Don't change anything midtones or shadows, but you can play with it as you want. Then go to color mix option. First select the red color, then change it to its saturation by -20 points, also luminance by -10 points. Then go to orange, decrease the hue by 10 points, saturation by 30 points, and increase luminance by around 10 points. Then go to yellow mode, decrease hue by 100 points and increase saturation by 20 points and also luminance by 30 points. Then go to green color, decrease saturation up to 100 points. Other all colors decrease by 100 points. Then go to effect mode, increase texture into 15 points, also clarity by 50 points, and increase dehaze by 40 points. Also decrease vignette by 40 points. Also increase feather into around 80 points. Then go to detail option. Increase noise reduction by around 15 points. Also the color noise reduction by 35 points. So now you can see before and after effect. How these preset options change our image. Then let's save this preset. Go to and click on create preset and then give a name. I will name this as a New York orange. Then tap on this tick mark. The preset has saved. So now let's add to another image. You can see this is before one, and then we can apply it our new preset, and you can see how it changes into new mode. Then go to next one. This is original. Then this is after that. You can see how it dramatically change your photos into new moody photos. This preset will work best with the images which contain the yellow and orange colors. So that is why I choose this kind of images which include the yellow and orange colors. We can select some other images how it is comes with this preset. If you often use Instagram, then you can play with this kind of presets and adjust these color settings according to your requirement. That's it guys. So I think you get some pretty good knowledge about how to get some kind of orange mood into your photos. So use these techniques and tools to get play with these tools and techniques that you can get best results. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So I will see you in next one.